Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fantastic Love and Healthy Living, where we explore all things wellness, health, and happiness. Whether you're here to learn about the latest health trends or looking for inspiration to live your best life, you're in the right place. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a weight loss supplement that has been generating a lot of buzz online. It's called LeanBiome, and chances are you've seen or heard about it in your quest to find effective, science-backed weight loss solutions. But is LeanBiome really worth all the hype? LeanBiome isn't just another product claiming to be a magic bullet for weight loss. It's designed with a unique focus on gut health, which is becoming increasingly recognized as a crucial factor in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at what LeanBiome is, how it works, the science behind it, and whether it might be the missing piece in your weight loss journey. Stick around because we'll also be sharing tips to maximize its effectiveness and some real-life success stories that might just inspire you. Let's get started. LeanBiome is a dietary supplement designed to promote healthy, sustainable weight loss by addressing a fundamental but often overlooked factor, your gut health. Unlike traditional weight loss pills that focus solely on calorie burning or appetite suppression, LeanBiome takes a holistic approach. It targets the root causes of weight gain, specifically imbalances in the gut microbiome. So, what's the microbiome? Think of it as the ecosystem of trillions of bacteria that live in your digestive system. While the idea of bacteria might sound a little unsettling, these tiny organisms play a big role in keeping your body functioning properly. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, immunity, and yes, weight management. Emerging research has shown that an imbalanced gut, meaning more bad bacteria than good bacteria, can lead to weight gain, slow metabolism, and even those nagging food cravings we all struggle with. LeanBiome's creators have formulated this supplement to address these imbalances. By promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, often referred to as lean bacteria, it aims to help you achieve your weight loss goals while improving your overall health from the inside out. Now, let's dive into the science. Why is gut health so important when it comes to weight loss? Research has revealed a fascinating connection between the composition of your gut microbiome and your ability to lose or gain weight. Studies have consistently shown that people who are overweight or obese tend to have a different gut microbiome profile compared to those with a healthy weight. To put it simply, their microbiomes contain more of the bad bacteria that contribute to fat storage, slower metabolism, and even cravings for unhealthy foods. On the other hand, individuals with a healthy weight have more of the good bacteria that support fat burning, efficient digestion, and better nutrient absorption. Factors like poor diet, high stress levels, antibiotics, and even lack of sleep can disrupt the delicate balance of your microbiome. When this happens, it becomes much harder for your body to shed extra pounds, no matter how hard you try. This is where LeanBiome comes in. By introducing a carefully selected blend of probiotics and prebiotics, it works to restore harmony in your gut microbiome. This isn't just about losing weight. It's about creating a healthier internal environment that supports your long-term wellness. Let's talk about the key ingredients that make LeanBiome so effective. Each component in this formula has been carefully chosen based on scientific evidence to target specific aspects of weight loss and gut health. First on the list is Lactobacillus gasseri, a standout probiotic strain that has been extensively studied for its weight loss benefits. In a groundbreaking study published in the British Journal of Nutrition, participants who took this probiotic experienced significant reductions in belly fat, body weight, and waist circumference in just 12 weeks. How does it work? Lactobacillus gasseri reduces fat absorption in the gut and promotes fat excretion. It also helps regulate hunger hormones like leptin, which can suppress appetite and make it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Next, we have Lactobacillus rhamnosus, a probiotic strain known for its incredible benefits for women's weight loss. Studies suggest that it can help reduce food cravings, making it a fantastic tool for sustainable fat loss. Beyond weight management, It also promotes overall gut health by restoring balance and improving digestion. Green tea lovers, this one's for you. Green Select Phytosome is a patented green tea extract included in LeanBiome for its metabolism-boosting properties. Green tea contains compounds called catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that encourage fat burning and improve energy levels. The best part, this ingredient is caffeine-free, so you can enjoy the benefits of green tea without worrying about jitters or energy crashes. Another key ingredient is inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber derived from chicory root. Prebiotics act as food for the good bacteria in your gut, helping them thrive. Inulin is particularly effective at improving digestion, promoting regular bowel movements, and enhancing feelings of fullness, all of which are vital for weight loss. Finally, we have the dynamic duo of Sphaeranthus indicus and Garcinia mangostana. These plant extracts work together to reduce fat cell formation and speed up fat breakdown. They're the perfect complement to the probiotics and prebiotics in LeanBiome, adding another layer of fat-fighting power to the formula. Taking LeanBiome couldn't be easier. Simply take 2 capsules daily with water, preferably before a meal. That's it. The convenience of this supplement makes it easy to incorporate into any routine, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. To see the best results, consistency is key. While you may notice some improvements within a few weeks, it's important to give LeanBiome time to work its magic. Think of it as a long-term investment in your health rather than a quick fix. Now, let's talk about safety. LeanBiome is made with natural, research-backed ingredients and is generally well tolerated by most people. However, it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medication. Some users may experience mild digestive discomfort as their body adjusts to the probiotics, but this is usually temporary and subsides within a few days. If you have specific health concerns, don't hesitate to seek professional advice before trying LeanBiome. LeanBiome has already made a positive impact on the lives of many users. Customers report improvements in digestion, increased energy levels, and of course, weight loss. One user shared how LeanBiome helped them break through a frustrating weight loss plateau. Another highlighted how it reduced their cravings and gave them more energy to stay active throughout the day. These stories are a testament to LeanBiome's gentle yet effective formula. While results may vary, the overall feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. You can purchase LeanBiome directly from its official website. Click the link in the description to check the latest price and special discounts. Every purchase is backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee, so you can try LeanBiome risk-free for 6 months. If you're not satisfied, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. In summary, LeanBiome offers a science-backed, holistic approach to weight loss by focusing on gut health. It's not a quick fix, but it's a fantastic tool to support sustainable, long-term results. If you're ready to give LeanBiome a try, check out the link in the description. And if you've already tried it, we'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay fantastic and live healthy.